also founded, created sound. And the Lord said that there is a sound of tumult in the nation. There's a sound of a war that's arising in the land. But God said, with the flooding of my light into my people, that I am creating the sound of a roar. And that sound of a roar shall arise out of the anointing, out of the glory. And that sound shall overcome the sound of tumult in the land. For even right now, with the light of revelation and what you see, I am creating simultaneously a new sound. And there is a sound coming up out of the earth, but there's a sound that's penetrating the earth.